G'day YouTube, my name's Lance. Welcome to Bundy Bear's Shed. Well, look at this, it's Christmas. It's the day before Christmas, Christmas Eve in Australia, and well, the weather for Christmas Day looks like it's going to be about 31 or 32 degrees, possibly 10 mils of rain, 94% humidity, so we'll be dripping. And yeah, it should be a nice day. A few storms in the afternoon, they say, where we'll just have to see what happens there. But that's all right. We never knock back a little bit of rain. We do think about the ones up north that got wiped out a few days ago, a week ago now probably. The roads aren't open yet, the houses are buggered and all that, so they'll have a bit of a rough trot. But yeah, normally Christmas in Australia is a hot day, and we usually get together in the house. We'll have the aircon on, and it's at our house here, and we have Tim and Adele, our kids, and then the grandkids, and my mum's coming over, and Tim's wife Ali, her mum and her grandma are coming over to have dinner with us, which is lunch. Yeah, we hop up every morning, we have a coffee or just whatever you feel like. Help set the table. When the kids come, we sit around the tree and have presents and have a chat and a little bit of a yarn, and then we sit down and have a meal together, and yeah, have a yarn all around the table. So we usually have a couple of big long tables together. We have the air conditioner on, so it's nice and cool, and yeah, we don't have to be sitting inside sweating away. And a few cool drinks, a couple of sherbets, and usually in the afternoon after lunch, we all find a comfortable spot and sit down. We usually get away from the table, but like we can sit out in the pool room if there's a breeze. We've got a couple of verandas on the house, and often the kids will be one area, or the oldies will be sitting in the shade in another area, just having a catch up for an hour or two. And usually about 2 or 3 o'clock we have a cuppa, a bit of smoker, as if we haven't eaten enough. And got to loosen the pants off by then. Loosen the pants off, loosen a couple of buttons, and yeah, people sort of head home through the afternoon there, and the end of the evening there's Jude and myself there left, and for the next few days we eat leftovers. And we're very comfortable with that. We're very happy with that. So yeah, instead of doing the stew on Monday, yeah, I won't put out a stew because it's Christmas Day. I just thought today I'd pop out a quick Christmas thank you message for all the people that follow my videos around the world. A few things happened in the year, like yeah, we've hit over 46,000 subscribers now, and hopefully what we put out there helps everyone out a little bit and encourages the young ones to have a go and get the spanners and things like that. So I'm all bloody Christmassy. I do have a Christmas shirt up the house, and I thought, oh, I'm not putting that on. Just my old blue work shirt, that's how I feel comfortable. I got my fancy hat on though, I'm a bit smart, yeah. And I've got an oil filter for the Massey 20, and it's got a gold bow on it, so go Sparrex. Jude probably put that on. And I thought I was going to have my old mate Ted here. And now Ted sat on the tractor a couple of times around Christmas when we've been going for a drive round, and he wobbles his head and he plays a bit of music and all that. So I said to Ted this morning, come on, we'll get a bit of a show happening. And he said, nah. He said, my batteries are flat. And so I have a look, put new batteries in, and he still doesn't want to work, and he reckons it's too hot. He said, too bloody hot to go dancing around today, Bear. She's just bloody, yeah, I'm just going to sit here in the breeze. So he's got the rest of the day off by the look of things. So we'll just let him sit there. But on a serious note, thank you for your support, everyone. Have a great Christmas. Get together with the family, friends, ones you love. Get together, have a great time. Yeah, there's plenty of room for, don't worry about bloody what you eat. There's plenty of room for diet and all next year. So just have a good get together and spend some time how you'd prefer. But thanks again. Short and sweet, I know, but Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. There'll be another stew before the new year, and well, I suppose there will. All being well, if I don't eat too much Christmas pudding and go into a coma. But yeah, have a great Christmas, everyone. And yeah, from Jude and myself, thanks for all your support, and we'll catch up with you next year. See you later, eh?